Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Raheen's page. Today we have Sahar Basit, who's one of the 25 under 25 ladies with me. We've been talking backstage. It was really fun talking, so I hope that we talk more and I get to know more about her. So, Assalamu alaikum, Sahar. How are you doing?
Walaikum salam, Raheen. I'm doing really well. How are you?
I am doing great. So can you please introduce yourself for our audience?
Sure. Assalamu alaikum, everyone on Raheen's page. My name is Sahar Basit. I am 22 years old, and I'm a student at FC College pursuing a bachelor's in education. And more recently, along with Raheen and 23 other women, we are part of the Little Arts 25 under 25 amazing, extraordinary young women. And I'm a writer as well. I'm working on a book about my life. So yeah, that's me basically.
Yeah. Cool. So it was really funny because you were like, along with me, Raheen, and for a moment you just paused to do your math. 23 other women. Acha, so let's start from like the real beginning. Where were you born?
I was born in Lahore. I am a total, born and bred Lahori. Never lived anywhere else in my entire life. So love this city. I've always been here.
फिर तो खाने की भी शौकीन होगी है ना?
ऐसी वैसी को खाना मेरे से दूर करके तो देखे. Like I am a big foodie, love eating pretty much all the time and almost everything. So yeah.
Yeah. मेरे अम्मा पापा दोनों इस्लामाबाद के हैं तो हमें तो वो नाम है मामा पापा खाने वो तो तरह वो फूडीज वगैरह तो मुझे ही शौक होता है खाने का. Lahore is something that's like I feel like the home of all foodies.
अब ये ना एक बहुत बड़ी डिबेट शुरू हो जाएगी लाहौर वर्सेस कराची वाली. सो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू गेट इनटू इट बिकॉज ये बहुत ज्यादा होता है. बट माय मॉम इज ओरिजिनली फ्रॉम कराची. शी मूव्ड टू लाहौर व्हेन शी वाज 12. एंड जो खाने की बाहर के खाने की शौकीन वो है ना, पूरी दुनिया में कोई नहीं होगा. मतलब कि शी इज द वन समटाइम्स हुज लाइक अच्छा आज मैकडॉनल्ड्स ऑर्डर करें, आज पिज्जा खाएं, आज मतलब कि उनका बस चले ना तो वो कभी घर पे खाना बनवाए ही ना, परपेचुअली बाहर से ऑर्डर करती रहे. So like that's what my mom is like even now. So that's how I've grown up. Yeah.
Andar se I feel like let's get our moms to meet because I need my mom to be
Done.
like that. It's like
Done.
घर का इतना अच्छा खाना होता है बेटा, why do you eat food? Like
My dad says that. My dad says that and my mom says the opposite. So I have both like opposing forces in my house. तो कभी किसकी चलती है, कभी किसकी चलती है.
और मेरा बिल्कुल वो जो वाइस वर्सा वाला हिसाब है. My dad's the more cooler one when it gets to eating. But हम दोनों का like style is something really different. They would go for घर में भी देसी खाना खाना है, बाहर भी खाना है. I'm more of a go different, live different kind of person.
Okay.
And so
Nice.
Lahore, nowhere else like.
No, I've never lived anywhere else. I love traveling. I've traveled a lot. Well, as much as I could, like from my age. We have a really big family, mashallah. I grew up in a joint family, lived with my dada dadi and my chacha chachi and their 3 kids all in one house. So we were like a good 10, 11 people. That's how I grew up. I lived with them till I was about 18 years old. And then we shifted to my current house. And here I live with my parents and my younger sister and my dog and 2 of my cats. So a nice, small ish family now. At just my house. So
yeah, because I've always lived alone, like with my parents. Like we were never in a joint family system. So हमारी भी इसी तरह की family है, except the cats and the dogs. But the cats and the dogs, I like cats, but I'm scared of them. Like if I get too close, I'm no longer a cat lover. I am scared.
Okay.
And about dogs, no, it's just
not at all.
Because I'm scared of them. That stare that they give me, and I'm like, no, because my uncle, one of my uncle had dogs for very long. So I stopped going to his house. I was like, no, I don't want to come to your house because you have a dog.
God. So then you can't come to my house. That's so sad.
No, I will still come to your house.
You must come. You can. the way you can get over your fear of dogs is you meet my dog. He thinks he's a cat because he's grown up around 2 cats, okay? And awwal darje ka wo darpok hai. He's scared of everything. Everything he's scared of. He's really friendly. So I think he's a good dog to kind of get over your fear of dogs. Jitna wo darpok इंसान है. उसको कोई भी चीज कहो ना, लाइक डांट दो, कोई उसने कुछ कर दिया तो मामा कहती है मत करो, वो भी इंसान है, ऐसे बातें मत किया करो उससे. So he's like a very ladla of this house because he's the youngest pet, and my mom calls him her youngest son. So she's very protective of him. जो सारा उसको बिगाड़ा है वो मेरी माँ ने बिगाड़ा हुआ है. So
I see. मेरा तो पेट्स का शौक तभी उतर गया था when I got 2 fishes और 2 दिन के बाद वो मर गई थी. I
ये
cried and
मछलियों के साथ होता है.
मछलियों का मसला ही है ना. It was actually for a school project that I even bought them. I was like,
अच्छा.
they're living a day after that. That's so cool. And then they died. नजर लग गई थी, नजर लग.
हाय हाय.
That's the problem.
That's really sad.
That is sad. And then my chachu had turtles. He had this one turtle that he was so cool. First, I was scared of him. He lived for about 2 to 3 years. He was really cool. I mean, Chachu, I remember, he would have all the baby stuff. Because वो जिससे baby shampoo होता है, he would put on his shell and then clean it.
Cute.
And then he would keep him everywhere. He would even try to feed him normal stuff.
Oh my god.
बहुत प्यार करते थे. चाचू घर बेटा पैदा हुआ. And then he kind of was left out. जिससे बड़े बहन भाई नहीं left out हो जाते हैं.
I know, मैं भी बड़ी बहन हूँ.
Yeah. और हम दोनों तो वो बड़ी बहनें हैं जिनमें बहुत ज्यादा डिफरेंस है siblings में.
Exactly. 6 साल का डिफरेंस है मेरी और मेरी बहन के बीच में.
बिल्कुल. And so, like, how did your writing journey began? Because writing is something that's really kind of different, you know, that's thoda sa hat ke hai.
It is. The really funny thing is that when I was in school, like choti grades mein, like grade 6, 7, 8, so I used to hate writing. It was my least favorite subject. Creative writing se matlab ki main dur bhaga karti thi. And this stayed with me till I was about in the 11th grade, or tab I had to take English literature. Compulsory tha us waqt, and अच्छा grade लाने के लिए बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ी, and I kind of got into the whole thing कि अच्छा like लिखना is okay, fine, whatever. But I never thought of writing a book until I was 16 years old. So in 2015, right before my 17th birthday, I was diagnosed with a liver condition. It's called autoimmune hepatitis. और so basically होता ये कि हमारा जो immune system है वो उसको लगता है कि आपका liver आपका नहीं है और वो उसको attack करना शुरू कर देता है. So then scarring and stuff happens. So because of that, I went on like really strong medication, steroids, जिसकी वजह से बाल गिरना शुरू हो गए.
Yes. Oh, Sahar froze. Sahar, like I told you, leave the studio and then come again because you just froze. Achha, you're
Where
back.
Where did I freeze?
You froze in not such a pretty position, but
नहीं मैं बात क्या कर रही थी?
आप बात ही the position was really cool, but अच्छा बात आप ये करी थी that your hair started falling out. Yeah.
So that happened. I gained weight. I was tired all the time. It was kind of like being a 17-year-old, but like in a 90-year-old's body. It was quite disheartening. And so then I had to leave school for about a year. And this was my final year. तो मेरे जो सारे बैचमेट्स थे वो मेरे से पहले ग्रेजुएट होके खुदाफिज हो गए. So when I came back, I was with my juniors. And even then, like I was feeling much better, alhamdulillah. I finished with them. I ended up topping, mashallah, in Pakistan and in Beacon House, set a record for them. And eventually, what happened was I felt like this, like what I've been through needs to be out there, because this disease, it's so rare. Ke Pakistan mein, it's almost unheard of. And even like worldwide, it's considered a very rare disease. And it's like dekhne se agle bande ko lagta nahi hai ki aap bimar ho. So it's an unseen thing. And a lot of people who suffer from it, like I'm a part of some support groups where there are other people who suffer from the same thing. And we all like, end mein jo common theme aati hai na, wo ye ki koi hame samajhta nahi hai. Nobody knows what you're going through, and there's no real like person to reach out to. So I thought if my story can be out there, and it can be a sense of inspiration, maybe a sense of hope for other people who are like me, then I feel like I've done something meaningful out of, this hand that has been played with me. And the really interesting thing is that meri dadi, who was the closest person I was with, she had the same disease. She died November of last year, and she was also a part of these support groups. और वो उन्होंने दो दोस्तें बना ली, उसके ऊपर कोई गोरी आंटीज थी इंग्लैंड में, और वो घंटों उनसे फोन पे बात करती थी और उनको तसल्ली दिया करती थी कि you're okay, कुछ नहीं होता, चिल करो, अल्लाह मियाँ पे फेथ रखो, ये वो बहुत कूल टाइप इंसान थी वो. So I got a lot of inspiration from her as well, the way that she fought it for 37 years. I think if she can do it, मैं उनकी पोती हूँ, मैं क्यों नहीं कर सकती? So that's basically how I got into the whole thing.
And I totally understand, because my brother, he has blood cancer, so he was also on steroids. He still is. So baal to khair uski wapas aa gaye, balon wala to like wo wapas ho gaya. But of course, he didn't look at himself in the mirror when he did not have hair. So of course, it's something that's really psychological. Or up to many people don't even believe that he has cancer, because ab to wo unseen lagna shuru ho gaya hai. He looks fine, but under to, there's things that are happening inside. So how was it meeting other people with the same disease, the same stories? Because it's like talking to a friend who knows everything about you.
Yeah, so it was like काफी, I guess the word would be काफी तसल्ली हुई थी मुझे कि I'm not the only one, in the sense कि of course like my friends have been so amazing through this whole thing. Shout out to Manur and Anusha. They've tried their best to understand what I'm going through and like help me out. Anusha to would like, if I'm standing and she knows like I get tired, कोई बैठा होगा ना कुर्सी पे, she'll make them get up कि उठो, इसने यहाँ पे बैठना है, और like लड़ाई हो जाती है वहाँ पे. And then if I refuse to sit down, then she'll start yelling at me, go sit down. So like they've always tried to be very, very supportive, but at the end of the day, उनको नहीं पता, like I can't expect them to understand the extent to which that it affects me. So उस तरह से meeting other people who are going through the same thing, it's काफी तसल्ली वाली बात है, and you get a lot of advice कि what did you do जब joints में pain शुरू हुई थी, what exercise did you do, or how did you lose weight, things like that. So उस तरह से बहुत तसल्ली होती है, it gives you a sense of community. So that's very important when you're struggling with something like this.
Yes, it is important. And how was your family about like this, you writing?
They were actually the ones who encouraged me to do it. I remember हम खाने की टेबल पे बैठे हैं, okay, और ये सीन इमेजिन करने वाला है. So हमारे घर में एक रिचुअल है कि सब dinner table पे everybody has to have dinner together. So I'm sitting and my dad and my mom and my sister हम खा रहे हैं, and I'm thinking about like writing a book. तो कहते हैं वेरी गुड. मामा तो सीधा पहुंच गई ना, अच्छा जब ये ना न्यूयॉर्क टाइम्स बेस्ट सेलर लिस्ट पे होगी तो सबसे पहले रॉयल्टीज मुझे मिलेंगी, और फिर जब ये मूवी बनेगी तो मैं डिसाइड करूंगी कि मूवी में एक्ट्रेस कौन होगी. एंड आई वाज लाइक मामा अभी मैंने फर्स्ट वर्ड भी नहीं लिखा, आप किधर जा रही हैं? सो लाइक फ्रॉम द गेट गो दे वर लाइक, इफ यू बिलीव इन समथिंग, do it, we're behind you. And they've been through that with anything and everything that I've ever done in my life. So like aisi family Allah miya sabko dein, actually, like they've been so amazing.
Yes. And so like how are you with friends, like being social? Because you do have Maroon and Mahnur and Anusha, but like other friends like
Of course hain. University mein we're basically a group of 5 girls including me. So it's me, Anusha, Ramsha, Bushra and Maheen. They all of course know that I suffer from this disease, but they never let it get in the way. मतलब कि मुझे pity नहीं करते, which I really appreciate. But at the same time they're very mindful कि for example हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी में कैफेटेरिया काफी दूर है, तो काफी चल के जाना पड़ता है. तो अगर 2-3 दफा जाना हो तो या मुझसे पूछ लेते कि are you okay with walking that distance, or one of them will always stay with me so that I'm not alone, और बाकी 2 जूस या चिप्स या जो भी चीज लेके आनी है they'll go and they get it. या फिर if I'm having like a breakdown कि like I can't figure out what's happening, or a really bad blood test has come through. Like I've gotten some bad news. I will call up any one of them, usually Manoj, and she will calm me down, and then we'll crack some jokes, and instantly I will feel better. So having a good, like a good group is it's really important. It is, and I'm so glad that I have them. Like it's awesome.
Yes. And so let's get to the 25 under 25. When did you actually consider like applying for the award?
So मैं अपने कमरे में बैठी हुई थी रात को 11 बजे, and my dad forwarded me the email saying I think you should go for it. मुझे उस वक्त Little Art का पता भी नहीं था. I'd never really heard of them, and I went through the website and the whole thing about 25 under 25. तो मैंने कहा अब्बा कह रहे हैं तो कर देती हूँ, मैंने कौन सा जीत जाना है. और फिर मैंने अप्लाई कर दिया, और मैं बैठी हुई नीचे, मैं टीवी देख रही थी, और फिर मुझे इंटरव्यू की कॉल वाली ईमेल आई, और मैं भागी भागी मम्मा के पास गई, मम्मा ये देखें. तो मम्मा भी मुझे देखें, हैं वाकई. मैं कहा हाँ वाकई. तो बस फिर इंटरव्यू कॉल आई, एंड देन दे इंटरव्यूड मी, एंड देन ऑलमोस्ट एवरी सेकेंड और थर्ड डे when I would be talking to Dada, he would ask me कि उन्होंने कुछ बताया. अब तक अभी नहीं बताया, आप मुझे स्ट्रेस आउट ना करें, जब बताएंगे सबसे पहले मैं आपको बताऊंगी. And then I got the call, and the rest is history, as they say.
Yeah, मेरे साथ भी इसी तरह हुआ था, because मैंने Facebook पे ये देखा था, and I was like, या तो हो ना कि I would be somebody who's like बहुत ही पहुंची हुई बंदी हूँ मैं, कि मुझे हो जाएगा. तो मैंने कहा यार let's see कि कैसे fill out करते हैं, कैसे fill out करते हैं. मैंने fun नहीं कर भी दिया. फिर वो इंटरव्यू वाली ईमेल आई. एग्जैक्टली मैं तो बिकॉज सुबह 8 बजे उठना था, और उन दिनों तो मेरी रूटीन बहुत खराब थी. तो मैंने कहा यार अब आई नीड टू डू इट, मतलब बिल्कुल फाइनल, अब ये फाइनल चीज है. फिर उसके बाद अब इंटरव्यू के बाद, बिकॉज आई मेड फ्रेंड्स विद रमशा एंड आई इंटरव्यूड हर. तो उसके बाद बैक स्टेज रमशा टोल्ड मी दैट आई एम वन ऑफ द 25 under 25. मैं तो जब मुझे एक्चुअल, बिकॉज मुझे तो एक इनफॉर्मल वे में पहले बता दिया था ना उसने, बिकॉज वो शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग हो चुकी थी, वो सब कुछ शॉर्ट लिस्टेड था. एंड देन आफ्टर अ फ्यू डेज आई गॉट द ईमेल. और फिर उसके बाद बिकॉज मैं उस वक्त टीवी देख रही थी एज यूजुअल, मैं टीवी देख रही थी उस वक्त. एंड जब मुझे बाबा ने कहा इधर आओ जरा, ईमेल आई है ना, बिकॉज बाबा चेक्स ऑल माई ईमेल्स. तो आई वाज आल्सो वेरी हैप्पी. तो मैंने कहा बस आज आई वुड टेक माय डे ऑफ like I usually do. So I got back to watching TV. I was like, cool. See? And then, anybody for like, I think maybe 5 days, anybody who would try to say anything to me, I would be like, I'm 25 under 25, man. You don't know me, right? And then my parents would say, yeah, literally do something. They would ask me to do something. But you can hire somebody, but not me. So, I had that thing for about 5 days, but then I realized that, मैं भी अम्मा अब्बा की बेटी हूँ, so I still have to do what they say. And now, because our interview is coming to an end, first, okay, so I'd like to ask you 3 questions.
Okay.
First, what is your message for all the people in our audience?
My message would be कि सबकी जिंदगी में कभी ना कभी कोई ना कोई hurdle आता है, चाहे वो ये हो कि you're not doing well academically, or there's some family tragedy, or you're sick like me. Don't let that hurdle stop you. You have to be resilient. You have to keep trying to move forward with your life. And that's really, really important. I mean, I know कि कहना कि हो जाओ resilient बहुत आसान है, या कि रहो positive is very easy, and it's much harder to do, but you need to keep trying. So that's one message that I would give them.
Yes. And then the second question is that you want to read some of the comments?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So we have a lot of them. And so the first one is Maheen Wakar. Sahar. Yeah. Is that your friend Maheen, right?
Yeah, that's my friend.
The entire time I was wondering कि ये Maheen कौन है? Because she would keep commenting and commenting. I mean, maybe मामा होंगे या बहन होंगी.
नहीं, मेरे दोस्त हैं.
Yeah, your college.
Yeah.
So Seher Heart. Actually बहुत लंबा है to pronounce this version of Seher. And then there's
Manur, that's Manur.
another Manur Rabbani, hi Sahar, and then Shams Afudeen, Arifin. Why do I even even I interviewed him. And the entire time I said his name wrong.
Oh God.
मैंने आरिफ नहीं आफरीन कहा था.
Oh Allah. अब अपने आप को correct कर लो.
Yes, Shams Arifin, right? Mahin Wakar I don't know how do I even say this, but and then 3 I heart emoji. Yeah. And then we have Anusha. So everybody, let's just say you bragged to everybody in your friend group that you're being interviewed.
Of course, मतलब कि पहली दफा मैं इंटरव्यू हो रही हूँ और वो भी by राहीन who is part of 25 under 25. अब अगर मैं ब्रैग नहीं करूंगी तो और क्या करूँ? मतलब कि अगर मेरे दोस्त नहीं मुझे देखेंगे तो फिर मतलब कि क्या फायदा?
बिल्कुल. And then Anusha kind of warned you, but I wish I would have shown that earlier. Your mom's here, bro. Right?
I know.
So I wish I would have put that warning before.
कोई नहीं, my mom's really chill.
हाँ, मेरी मामा भी हर चीज देखती हैं. मैं कभी भी ऑन एयर तो बुराई कर ही नहीं सकती. I cannot say anything, not even make jokes on her online. Because बाहर से when I hear footsteps approaching, I am so सारी उस वक्त हीरोइन लाइक निकल जाती है, वो
उतर जाती है.
या बिल्कुल. And Salam's second sisters, Shamir Baloch कह रहे हैं, Shams Arifin, see, I'm such a genius. Is this live? Yes, it is. You can see this live. You can still see this live. And then Shamir told him that yes, Bilal Akhtar, आपकी उर्दू अच्छी है?
बहुत बुरी है.
आप रीड
माशाल्लाह मेरी बहन सेहत से लग रहा है, खाने की बहुत शौकीन है. जी थैंक यू. मुझे ये कमेंट बहुत मिलता है, पूरी जिंदगी इसी कमेंट से मैं वाकिफ रही हूँ. सो थैंक यू. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
बिल्कुल. And then another Urdu comment. तो आप रीड कर देना प्लीज, समझा करें.
सलाम. 20 तारीख को
आलमी
शतरंज का दिन है एज इन चेस. मैं इसके हवाले से खवातीन का एक इवेंट अरेंज कर रहा हूँ, अगर दिलचस्पी है तो राब्ता कर लें. माय मॉम मस्ट बी सो प्राउड. वैसे ऐसे करके बैठी होंगी कि हाय इसने उर्दू पढ़नी है, बिकॉज माय उर्दू इज रियली बैड. बहुत बुरी बात है ये, लेकिन सच है.
मेरा मसला ये, नॉर्मल लिखी हुई उर्दू तो मैं फिर पढ़ लूंगी, जो कमेंट्स में उर्दू होती है ना, उसका तो फॉन्ट ही इतना खराब होता है ना कि पढ़ा ही नहीं जाता.
बिकॉज़ मैं तो फॉन्ट का मसला है और कुछ नहीं है. इट्स ओनली द फॉन्ट.
It is only the font. I say that again. And then we have Mahin Bakar again.
Pongo is my dog's name.
Oh, I see. She knows everything about you. She does. Yes. And then we have Kamal Khan Waga. Hello. Shams Arifin. Please don't be scared of dogs.
I think that's pretty
well said. I'll tell Pongo.
Is that your dad?
Yeah, that's my dad. Your dad?
Yeah.
Because Basit, I was like, Sahar Basit, Abdul Basit, ये तो बड़ा मिल रहा है. तो
that's my dad.
Yeah. See, your dad's watching. पहले interviews में होता था अम्मा अब्बा भाई, everybody would be watching as if, you know, I am winning an Oscar or something. और अब इधर जाके से तुम्हारा इंटरव्यू है, जॉब 15 मिनट रह गए.
I'm sure मेरे साथ भी eventually अगर इंशाल्लाह फ्यूचर में इंटरव्यूज होए तो मेरी फैमिली भी यही करेगी कि अब कितनी दफा देखे तुम्हें, प्लीज वैसे ही तुम्हारी शक्ल देखनी पड़ती है. So ये पहली दफा है, so I think the novelty is still there. I think it might wear off eventually.
It will. That's all I can say for now. So Shams Arifin कह रहे हैं dog is better than some insan. Yeah, that's actually.
I totally agree.
Turtles I don't like. Why? Turtles are so cute. When they walk on your lap, they're so slow and they're so cool.
In 5th grade, we actually had turtles as a class pet, और हर weekend हम turtles को घर लाया करते थे, like बारियां लगती थी. So when I would bring them to my house, like I would be so excited. उनका पानी change करना, उनसे खेलना, हाथ पे रख के इतने से थे. So they're really cute.
Yeah. मुझे याद आ रही है. अच्छा, माही करे प्रीति सर. अच्छा, उन्होंने ऐसे I'm a film watcher, इसलिए I was actually about to read Preeti Zinta. वो एक actress थी ना एक ज़माने की.
Yeah.
मैंने कहा, why would she even comment that? We didn't even talk about her.
Honey,
But
I'm sure my friends have just flooded your comment section.
yes, and we're gonna read it. We're gonna read it because
Okay,
we have time.
okay.
We have
Okay,
time
all
on our
right.
hands, my friend. Shams Arifin, dad. I quite do
Okay.
not understand what you mean. And then I said, Shams Arifin, yes, I had time to, do it. And yeah, time, when you have time on your hands, that's what happens. Okay, I'm listening, and then we need to discuss. Liver. Wow. Your friends again. That's what I'm going to say now. And somebody loves your confidence.
Thank you.
Your friends again. You have your friends again.
Allah.
Man, मेरी आज तक कभी किसी दोस्त ने मेरा इंटरव्यू नहीं देखा. You know that?
Waki? Why?
None of my school friends have ever watched one of my interviews. वो कहते बहुत
Why
boring
though?
है यार. तुम तो जाके you're so different. मैंने कहा मैं कहाँ different होती हूँ? I'm still so funny. But yeah, they say that.
Me, I have really awesome friends, mashallah.
वो नजर आ रहा है. The comment section सबूत है. Another friend, you're so
Yes.
brave, Sahar.
Love you, Manu.
And Shams Arifin, true, must do. Ask her how did she get back her confidence?
That's a good question. Mainly because जब मैंने gap year लिया, the reason that I had to take that gap year is because I started suffering from seizures. और initially लगा था कि शायद epilepsy है या ऐसी कोई चीज है. But it turned out to be seizures that were brought on by stress. So there was no biological reason for the seizures other than the fact कि वो मेरी body का defense mechanism था against the stressful things that were happening. And eventually, through like psychiatric treatment, I was able to get over that. But the real confidence I got was कि मेरा जो school है, TNS Beacon House, they actually let me come back earlier than when my gap year had ended. So मेरा gap year June में खत्म होना था. They let me come back in March as like a teacher's assistant. And they also let me take my grade 11 के exams again, just so that मुझे like एक तसल्ली हो कि मुझे सब कुछ भूल नहीं गया. And just through that process, and like मेरी teachers इतनी amazing थी, अभी भी हैं, they are what have inspired me to go into education. That's how I got it back. Without them, I don't think I would have been able to. So yeah, teachers and school, basically.
Yes. And do not forget your friends because आगे उनके
Of
comments
course, obviously.
So yeah, you kind of उसके बाद I know you're gonna get calls. You said my name. You remember me. Yeah. Mahnur Rabbani. How many hearts are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
क्या दोस्त हैं?
I've known Manur for 12 years.
You were babies when you knew each other. You were 8 years old, right?
No, we were 10. I'm 22. We were 10 और I remember school का पहला दिन था और ये school नया था. So it was the first day of school for everyone. And my mom told me, I don't remember this, but she told me कि मैं तुम्हें pick करने आई and you said to me कि mama मैंने best friend बना ली है. And that was Manur I was talking about. And my mom was like, I was thinking to myself कि यार 1-2 महीने में वैसे इसकी दोस्ती खत्म हो जानी है. And 12 years later, I was there at her wedding. I was there when she had her baby. I am her daughter's godfather. So like closer than ever. 12 years later,
Yes.
mashallah.
That's so awesome. I mean, 12 years. हम military brats का मसला ये होता है कि we keep on moving.
Yeah, that's
so the
really
other
tough.
friend, I feel like maybe my friend would be in Kota and I'm in Islamabad and I'm moving again next week. So फिर दोबारा she'd move again and then maybe we meet somewhere maybe 10 years
stability
later.
नहीं होती.
वो हो ही नहीं सकती. वो friends होते हैं that keep so much in touch. Like in the time that I moved last time, I was very young to even have a WhatsApp account or WhatsApp account नहीं होता, like everything. So we could not even keep touch in social media. اور پھر my friends, you know, if I even try to send them friend request, they would be like, you're followed by 7,000. میں نے آج صبح چیک کیا تھا. I am followed by, I checked it after 3 months. Frankly speaking, 3 months میں نے چیک کیا تھا اس کے بعد, and I was like, you're followed like 7,153 people.
MashaAllah,
Like,
that's
you know, you're followed by a
lot.
lot of people. They would be like, yaar ye bandi mujhe friend request bheji hai. maine kaha, I'm your friend, you know everything about me. You can actually just open a page, roast Raheen, and you can tell all my secrets to anybody, so why not? Tell her to write a book.
That is what I'm doing, so thank you for the vote of confidence.
Mahnoor Rabbani, she really loves you.
She does. Thank you for the love, Manur.
And then there's Maheen Bakar.
Again?
Yeah, یہ pronunciation اس کی مجھے ابھی تک سمجھ نہیں آ رہی کہ میں اس کو کس وے میں pronounce کروں. And there's this laughing, crying thing as well, and then a heart.
Yeah.
I actually want to meet you now because I feel like when I meet the friend group, I'd really be inspired.
That's so sweet.
Seriously. Comments آتے they were your friends, but you know, that's how you're empowered. Urdu.
میں بھی انٹرویو دینا چاہتا ہوں, مجھے یہاں سے بہت کچھ سیکھنے کو ملتا ہے.
بلال اختر, you drop me a text. مجھے بتائیں کہ آپ یہاں پر آئے تھے. You were watching an interview. Then maybe like 3 hours from now, I'll remember that you ever commented. اس کے بعد شاید مشکل ہے. I think I remember him. Bilal Akhtar used to watch my Idea Gist interviews as well. Yeah, he's a very active watcher. So make sure you comment. Drop me a text on Messenger. تو میں جب دیکھوں گی, I will make sure that we do something of that. ٹھیک ہے. And so the last question I want to ask you, Sahar, is that where are you most reachable? That if you know somebody wants you to come to an event, or you know they want to contact you for some other reason, so how can they do that?
They can contact me on Facebook. Basically, just drop me a message on Messenger. I know my profile is private, but I still get messages on Messenger, so that would be the best place to get in touch with me.
Yeah. Thank you so much for coming, Sahar. It was great having you here, and it's really great being connected to such brave girls. So you rock.
Thank you for having me, Raheen. It was really wonderful. And best of luck with the future interviews. I know you have like a lot lined up, and I'll be watching them. I'll be there in the comments. So
if you are not watching them, I would not.
I'll be there. Promise.
Good. You know how I get if I do not get the answer that I want to.
I got it.
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Thank you so much for all the comments. Mainly Mahnoor Rabbani, and then the other Mahnoor, and then Anusha Rehan. Yeah. So yeah, basically, mainly the friends, you have a great lady around you. تو اس کا خیال رکھا کریں, اس کی عزت کیا کریں, اور ہاں اس کو زیادہ keep her grounded, because بعض اوقات یہ ہوتا ہے you are the ones who can protect her from getting fame to her head. ٹھیک ہے, تو never کہتے ہیں treat her like a friend, not like a celebrity ever. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for coming, Sahar. I hope that we get to do more sessions together, right?
Inshallah.
Thank you. Allah Hafiz.